How to set up PayPal. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to set up PayPal on your device, what you're gonna do is, first of all, launch the application on your device. After you do that, tap on Get Started. In the top right, you can select your country. Now after you select your country, enter your phone number, then tap on Continue. After you do that, PayPal will send a code to your number. After you enter your code, you have to enter your email. Then PayPal will ask you to create a password for your account. Then create a password which you think is suitable to you. After that, enter your nationality, then your first name, middle name, last name and your date of birth. Then you have to add your address, and then after you do that, tap on required and then go to agree and continue. After you do that, you will successfully be able to create your PayPal account. So thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.